guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are playing Would You Rather. Yeah, we're just gonna continue this. I actually am uploading a new video. It will be uploaded in 14 minutes. Yeah, so let's just get right into this. Top questions, page 9. Yeah, we're on page 9. There is thousands of questions. Thousands. But let's do the first question. Would you rather be able to speak and write in every language, or be able to listen and read in every language? I would rather be able to speak and write. Oh my god, 51%. Holy, okay, let's go to the next one. Where would you like to get stuck for the next 5 hours? Stuck in a broken elevator or stuck in a broken ski lift? Oh no, this is hard. I would rather be stuck in a broken ski lift, because in the elevator that's gonna be just scary. Oh, 60, 40. Would you rather have terrifying nightmares every night or see scary things that aren't there? Have terrifying nightmares every night. See scary things that aren't there? Oh my god, that's creeping me out right now. Oh yeah, okay, would you rather use Firefox or Chrome? Chrome was way better. Look at this. Oh my god, would you rather go to heaven or live on earth forever? I'd rather live on earth forever, because everyone's gonna cry if I die. Really? Oh my god. Would you rather play Minecraft or go outside? Play Minecraft! Oh no! Go outside? People recommend to go outside? Are you serious? Okay, but play Minecraft. Would you rather change it to someone else or just stay you? Oh my god. I'll just stay me from now on. Are you serious? Change it to someone else? Oh, okay. That image gross. That's okay. Would you rather get rid of Justin Bieber or Rebecca Black? I knew who Rebecca Black is. I don't even know how to pronounce that. But yeah, I would rather get rid of Rebecca Black. Yeah. Are you serious? Justin Bieber? Why do people hate Justin Bieber so much? I mean, without Justin Bieber, they could have made Despacito. It's one of my favorite songs ever. Actually, there's a Justin Bieber version, and there's no Justin Bieber version. But who cares? Would you rather know the truth or let some stuff stay secret? I would rather know the truth, because if I just let some stuff, yeah, know the truth. 70%. How good is that? Would you rather have a huge snowfall or days of rain? Snow or rain? Snow. I would rather for snow. Yeah, it's way better. Level 10. I'm going to page 10 right now. Okay, would you rather go left where nothing is right, or right where nothing is left? Right. I'd rather go right. Oh, okay, that's way better. Would you rather get rid of this ad? Wait, what? Oh no. Please don't talk it. Okay, that's anything good. Okay, would you rather discover the entire Earth or go to space? Go to space! I love space way better, yeah. Would you rather be able to control your dreams or... Oh. I already chose this one? No, I didn't. Okay, who cares? To be able to control your dreams or be able to watch your dreams on the video next day. Be able to control my dreams, yes. 59%. Okay, that was awkward, but Would you rather have an ordinary home in an extraordinary place, or an extraordinary home in an ordinary place? Um, an extraordinary home in an ordinary place. Yes, way better. Would you rather have a 5-star restaurant, personal chef can any meal any time of day, or chauffeur that drives you to and from anywhere, and what in your vehicle of your choice? The second choice. Ah, man. Okay. Okay. Would you rather live in a retirement home or live in a mental installation where everyone is hot? I'd just rather live in the I'll go with the first choice. Okay. I wanted to go with the second choice, but yeah, who cares? Would you rather save yourself or save your siblings? Save. Okay, this might sound a bit selfish, but save. Actually, never mind. I lived a good life. Save my siblings. Okay, way better. 69. Would you rather live in a society that has liberty but no justice, justice but no liberty? Liberty. Oh, come on, bro. Why? Would you rather look unhealthy and attractive but be in perfect health? Or be absolutely beautiful and look healthy but extremely bad health? I rather go with the second choice. Oh, yes. Way better. Okay, would you rather drive extremely tired or drive high? Drive extremely tired. No, that image though is so. Oh, okay. Alright, so we're gonna have to wrap the first video. What is that sound in the background? Do you hear that? What? Oh my god, what is that sound? Okay, I need to close the door next time, but, oh god, I choked, but we're gonna wrap it up for this video, and, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys have an amazing day. As always, peace out.